Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. It comes in color options of olive and white, graphite and lavender. The phone has display of new 19.5:9 screen ratio, 16.28 cm, 6.4 inch, and 7.9 mm thickness. The phone also has thinner bezel, dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and Gorilla Glass Victus. It has 12 MP F1.8 Main Camera, dual Pixel AF and OIS, plus 12 MP UltraWide Camera, 123 FOV, and plus 8 MP Telephoto Camera, 3x Optic Zoom. It has both wide and selfie angles at the same time and 32 MP F2.2 Front Camera. It has portrait mode, night mode and 30x space zoom. It comes with 4500 mAh battery, super fast charging and fast wireless charging and wireless PowerShare. It supports dual SIM and 5G ready. It runs on Android 12 operating system. It is powered by Octa-core Exynos 2100, 5 nanometers, and Samsung DeX. It also features fast charging support, dual SIM and 4K video recording, wireless charging and water resistant. The delivery box contains handset and ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.